Hi, I'm Leah Sergakis with the Rip Chef, here with the writer of Burn Fat Like a Pro, Mike Simkowiak. Welcome. You look amazing. Tell everyone how they can look like you. Burn Fat Like a Pro, you wrote it. What inspired this book?
So basically, everybody's getting on the internet. They're hearing from trainers that aren't certified, about proper nutrition, and they're being misguided. So I wanted to create a credible resource where people could go and learn about proper nutrition. So I came out with an ebook that I compiled. This book has recipes that are from all IFBB professionals. These recipes are proven by these athletes to help you burn fat and look amazing.
I love that because nowadays you go on Instagram, you go and find media sources, and you don't know what's true. You don't know what you can listen to. And here's a book that there's professionals out there who have put their trust into it, and you can look like them. So I think it's amazing. What got you into it?
Like I said, I just wanted to help people, know the right path, the easy path to looking amazing. So go to theripchef.com. You can check out the ebook, Burn Fat Like a Pro. It's $49.95. It's got 65 recipes, for men and women, and it's got meal plans, over 20 meal plans that are going to help you get shredded, get ripped.
All right, Rip Chef viewers, check out Mike Simkowiak for more motivational, more nutritional tips to look exactly like him. Yeah, that wasn't overnight.